Hey everyone, did you know that bamboo is the world's most amazing plant? Yes, you heard it right. Bamboo, often considered a symbol of strength and flexibility, has a plethora of unique qualities and uses that make it stand out from the crowd. Firstly, bamboo holds the record for being the fastest growing plant on Earth. Some species of bamboo can grow up to 3 feet in a 24-hour period, which is about 1 inch every 40 minutes. So if you blink, you might just miss it. Secondly, unlike other woody plants, bamboo provides an endless supply of timber. Once it's cut, it will simply regrow from its strong root system, providing a continuous source of timber every few years without the need for replanting. Thirdly, bamboo is a green superhero, producing more oxygen than trees. It releases 35% more oxygen than an equivalent stand of trees, making it a key player in the fight against climate change. Fourthly, bamboo is a highly effective carbon sink. It absorbs up to 12 tons of carbon dioxide per hectare per year, twice the rate of a typical forest. Fifthly, bamboo plays a crucial role in the water cycle, producing water for rivers and streams. It releases vast amounts of moisture into the atmosphere, contributing to rainfall in drier regions. Sixthly, bamboo is a guardian of the soil, preventing soil erosion and restoring degraded land. Its extensive root system binds the soil, preventing landslides and maintaining soil fertility. Seventhly, bamboo forests create a vibrant habitat for fauna and flora. They house a diverse range of wildlife, from pandas to birds, insects, and even other plant species. Eighthly, bamboo provides biomass for the production of renewable energy. It can be converted into charcoal, pellets, and biofuel, providing a sustainable source of energy. Ninthly, bamboo can replace wood for almost any application. It's used in paper and pulp products, flooring, musical instruments, furniture, construction materials, and so much more, reducing the demand for timber from natural forests. Lastly, bamboo reduces poverty and provides livelihood opportunities for local farmers. It's an important source of income and employment in many rural areas, helping to reduce poverty and enhance local livelihoods. In summary, bamboo is an incredible plant with a multitude of environmental, economic, and social benefits. It's a fast grower, a relentless oxygen producer, a superb carbon sink, a water provider, a soil protector, a haven for wildlife, a renewable energy source, a versatile wood substitute, and a poverty alleviator. So, the next time you see a bamboo shoot or a bamboo product, remember the impressive impact this plant has on our world. You're looking at a true marvel of nature. And remember, if you found this information interesting, do share it, like it, and subscribe for more fascinating insights.